Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this really nice 4-pack of polyester fiber soundproofing panels, which there's 4 of them in the pack. These are 24 inches wide by 48 inches long, so that's a 2-foot by 4-foot panel, and they do provide 4 of these. You know, we have a workout room set up in here, and my son sleeps next door. We've been looking for something that can be a little quieter to help mask the sound within this room. And so these will be a really nice design because it is a no drill design. So these panels actually come with these double-sided adhesive pieces that you could put on that. Now you could screw these in because it does have this 1/2-inch design, this V-groove in here that you could put some screws into, but I'm going to be using these double-sided ones, and basically you just peel these off and you push them onto the back, and then it's got a tab on here, and you just peel this back off and it's going to reveal that double-sided piece on there. And there are plenty of these in there, so it's going to be a really easy way to put those on there. I'm going to go ahead and put all 4 of these in a line across here, which is going to make it a total of 8 feet by 4 feet long to put a nice acoustic wall panel on here. So to get that started, I'm going to peel off this last one, and then I will go stick these on and show you how easy this is. So these are really lightweight with this polyester fiber. I'm going to decide where I want to start my panel line. Maybe I'm going to put it right here to line it up with this wall here. And I'm just going to push that on there where it's got that adhesive. And it sticks on there really well. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with the remaining 4 of these. So let's go ahead and get these things lined up. I'm just going to go ahead and butt these up next to themselves to get these things put up here. And with this groove design, really makes hiding any of these seams really easy to do. This would work really well, I would think, in like a gymnasium, or like our case, a workout room, or if you're going to have like a studio that you needed one of the walls to kind of help create a little more quietness for the echoing. If you're going to be doing a lot of work online, doing office work from home, this is just a really quick way to get some nice acoustics sound deadening within a particular area. They line up really well, so I'm pretty impressed with how well those line up and hide the seams. And now that those are on there, I mean, you really can't see where one panel ends and the other begins. It just creates one continuous string along there. So that is a really nice design. I like the channels and the grooves, makes it look very high class, very lightweight with this 100% polyester fiber, and should work really well for what our intents and purposes are.